came for me today. I woke up, opened the door, and I almost tripped over it. Hey, Boba, say hi. Anyway, so this is my shed. $146, free shipping. I'm going to assemble this in the backyard today. The thing is, though, I gotta remove my makeshift tent, right? And take all the snow blowers out of there. I want to put this shed on that part because that part has a big, 10 by 10 square area of artificial turf. So this doesn't have a bottom, right? So if you put it on like dirt and you go inside, and if it rains, it's going to be all squishy and muddy inside, you know? So that part over there, that 10 by 10 area, has my artificial turf, and that drains really well. So I'm going to remove that tent and all my snow blowers. I'm going to put that there, and then I'm going to put the tent back up into another area. My $17 seat cover came. Looks much nicer now, huh? So there it is. Honestly, it's not as big as I thought. It's kind of small. And I can see why it's $146. It's putting the anchors sucked. I guess it's alright, you know. I'll park my zero turn in there because I'm going to use that from now on to mow my lawn. The artificial turf is fantastic. It was kind of a pain to put this together. So now I'm going to take this frame and use my liquid ice tarp, put it over it, because this tarp is, while it's bigger, it's got holes in it so it leaks. I'm going to put my snowblower hoard under it as much as I can fit. I've got about 10 to put under there. Hey guys, support my channel, buy a sticker. Also follow me on Instagram @MowersBlowers. Check out my website, mowersblowers.com. Hey guys, Boba and I want to thank you for all the support of Mowers and Blowers. If you'd like, make a short video clip like these, and I'll put it as an outro in my future videos.
See you guys next time, Mowers and Blowers! Oh!